Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Moringa, also known as the miracle tree. You've probably heard of it, but with so many forms available in powder, capsules, and tea, it can be confusing to choose which is best for you. Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each type to help you make the best decision. Before we jump into the different supplement forms, let's take a quick look at what makes Moringa such a nutritional powerhouse. Moringa leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, protein, antioxidants, and plenty of fiber. This unique profile is what gives Moringa its reputation for supporting immune function, promoting healthy blood sugar levels, and even enhancing cognitive function. Let's start with Moringa powder. It's the most popular and versatile form. You can add it to smoothies, juices, yogurt, or sprinkle it over salads. It's minimally processed, retains most of its nutritional value, and offers a customizable dosage. The downside is that the taste might not be for everyone and it's less convenient than capsules. Moringa capsules are perfect for those who prioritize convenience. They contain a standardized amount, are tasteless, and portable. The cons include limited absorption and a higher cost compared to powder. Moringa tea is made by steeping dried leaves in hot water. It combines Moringa's benefits with hydration and offers a soothing experience, but contains fewer nutrients. So, which form should you choose? If you're looking for potency, go with powder. For convenience, choose capsules. If you love herbal teas, try Moringa tea. No matter which you pick, make sure to select high-quality products. To choose between Moringa powder, capsules, or tea comes down to what suits your lifestyle best. Incorporating Moringa into your daily routine can help you reap its amazing benefits. Thanks for watching, and until next time.